Okay, we've got standard form again, but now A is going to be something other than 1. So that means we're going to have a vertical stretch or shrink or reflection involved, and or reflection. So hopefully these all work out well, but it is quite possible that some are going to go off the graph in ways that I did not necessarily intend. So super important to check your answers to make sure that, like, if yours is going off the graph, make sure that's actually supposed to go off the graph. So here we go. We're going to find the vertex using negative b over 2a. So negative 18 over 3. That's a positive 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So that's our x value. Now, these are probably going to be a little bit more annoying math-wise. So 6 squared is 36. And then we times it by 3. Like, I would just plug it into my calculator, but I'm too lazy to get a calculator. That's ridiculous. I have Desmos on my phone. I was definitely worried about the 25 on the end there. I don't think that's what I meant for it to be. Let's pretend that it's just 5 instead. So get rid of the 2, and it's just 5. Good old 5. Although even that might be not super helpful. And then whenever I plug it in all together, I get, whenever it's 5, I get 5. So, interesting. Oops. So 6 and 5, that's where the vertex is. And then we look at the number in front, this 3, and we say, okay, I'm going to vertically stretch by 3. So instead of going out 1 and up 1, I need to actually go out 1 and up 3. And this is what I mean by, like, it's quite possible some will go off the graph. Like, I can't graph the next set of points. It's off the graph because it would be out 2, and instead of up 4, it would be up 12. So just draw it kind of to the edge of the graph. The narrower these are, the harder it is to make it U-shaped, in my opinion, but there you go. Hopefully there's not any other ridiculousness like that 25, but we'll see. B, we gotta find the vertex. So negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 2. So that's 8 divided by negative 4, which is negative 2. So I'm going to plug this into my calculator, which you should too if you don't have one and can get on Desmos, either the app or the website. It will be worth it because it does it so well. I got 9 from that, so our vertex is negative 2 comma 9. If you got something different, or if you did it right but maybe didn't realize this was why, those parentheses around the negative 2 on this first part matter. If you don't put those in and just do like negative 2 times negative 2 squared with no parentheses in between, it's going to give you the wrong number, because we want to tell the calculator you're supposed to square negative 2 first and then times by the negative 2 that's in front. And the only way we can do that, the only way we can talk to our calculator is by putting it in correctly, and that's the correct way to put it in. So negative 2 comma 9, which is way up here, but fortunately it's reflected across the x-axis, so it's going to go down instead of up. And it's a 2, so it's going to go down twice as fast as normal. So out 1 and down 2, out 2, and instead of down 4, it'll be down 8. I love to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, down, out 2, down 8. Open and down, and vertically stretched and shifted and all that. Now, of course, if we're talking about shifts, we're also going to talk about shrinks. So here we have this 1/2, and there is a little bit of unpleasantness because of finding the vertex when we have a fraction, because the vertex is already a fraction, like the formula, I mean, is already a fraction. So it'd be negative 2 over 2a, so 2 times a half. So what you want to do is simplify the top and bottom separately, like negative 2. You might have actually just written it as positive 2, and that's fine. And then on the bottom, look at this and say, okay, what is 2 over 2, which is 2 over 1, times a half? Well, that'd just be 1. So this is 2. And then we plug 2 in here and here. Parentheses don't matter on this one because it's positive, but if you want to go ahead and put them because you want to, stay in practice, or you just want to practice having parentheses around numbers you plug in, that's totally fine. Up to you. I'm getting the answer, which is 1. Making sure I plugged it in right, and I think I did. So this is 2, 1 for our vertex. It is a positive 1/2, so it's opening up, but it's going to go up half as fast as normal. So instead of out 1, up 1, out 1, up a half. And then out 2, instead of up 4, also out 2. And then draw a parabola. Okay. Thanks for watching. I am hoping that doing this in like little pieces made it easier than just talking about the whole thing at one time and hoping for the best. So thanks for watching.